Hey guys, this is ITS Service Saver. Today we have the blue. Blue came to the shop with problem with charging port. It's not charging, so I open it. These boards like so easy to fix. Look, guys. Let me see my yeah. Do you guys see the traces? I just like use the avometer to test the diode mode. All this 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 traces. This one is good. This one is good. The third one was moving, and it looked like cut from here from the motherboard, and it's now reading. So all what I did, I just did the trace between this transistor here, or which one is that? The diode, sorry, the charging diode here, to this leg by a wire, and problem fixed. But it's easy. You guys can see traces. Even if you have problem with soldering to a capacitor or filter or diode, you can just scratch it with here and you can see the trace. So I said, yeah, let me just do a video because this isn't easy. I really like it. Okay, thanks guys for watching, and this is again a charging port trace for blue.